And now, one last try. Back to the war. Australian light tanks on manoeuvres in Victoria. The scheme is a cross-country reconnaissance, and the tanks can take it. Their crews are as highly trained, as efficient and audacious as all Australian troops. These tanks can also turn on the speed, useful weapons at home or overseas. To deal with the enemy's light tanks, they have among other weapons this gun. Its feature is the way the mounting allows it to turn through 360 degrees. Also on manoeuvres in Victoria, we found a squadron of an armoured car regiment. Built in Australia, they're heavily armoured and carry 2 machine guns. One of the biggest of the Empire's granaries, Australia's playing a tremendous part